Good morning students. A warm welcome to all. Hope you all are safe. Myself Bushra. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start our maths class. Okay students? So keep your rough book, textbook and pen while attending your class. Okay? So let's start? Yes. So our first chapter, large numbers. Okay? Chapter 1. Chapter 1, large numbers. We know in mathematics number plays an important role. Is it? Yes. Wherever we use numbers. Yes, most of the things what we do all deals with what? Numbers. That means where all? That means while counting money, then for looking on to time, then for date, they're all. It involves what? Numbers. Sometimes large numbers, sometimes small numbers. Is it? Yes, that depends on what? Number of digits. So here we are dealing with what? Large numbers. Okay. So here, yes, we know largest 2-digit number. Which is the largest 2-digit number? Yes, we know it is 99. Largest 2-digit number 99. And largest 3-digit number? Yes, 39. Is it? So largest 2-digit number is 29. Largest 3-digit number is 39. Yes. Now suppose if we add plus 1. If we add plus 1 to this largest 2-digit number, we get yes, smallest 3-digit number. Is it? Yes. So if we add 1 to greatest 2-digit number, we get what? Smallest 3-digit number. So greatest number all includes what? 9. Is it? Smallest means it includes what? 0. Okay students? Yes. Now what is greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number. Yes, we know greatest means what? It includes what? 9. Is it? So 5 9 will be there. So 1 2 3 4 5. Is it? 5 9 will be there. Now we want to add. I write here 1 2 3 4 5 9. Then to get smallest 6-digit number, we want to get what next? Smallest 6-digit number, we want to add 1. So we get here 0 0 0 0 0 1. That means 9 plus 1 10. If we add this, we get how many numbers are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. That means it is smallest 6-digit number. Okay. Smallest 6-digit number. That means how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. You know, you can call this number. What is this number? Yes, this is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. That means 5 zeros will be there. For what? 1 lakh. We call this number as what? 1 lakh. Okay, next. Greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 9 will be there. Now we want to get the next smallest 7-digit number. That means we want to add plus 1. So smallest 7 digit number, that is equal to, yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 zeros and 1 digit. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that means smallest 7 digit number. Then we call this number as 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. Call this number as what? 10 lakh. So 1 lakh have 5 zeros, 10 lakh have 6 zeros. Okay, next, greatest 7 digit number. Okay, greatest 7 digit number. Yes, we know greatest 7 digit means, greatest 7 digit means 7 9 will be there. Okay, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, yes. Now if we add 1, what we get? Smallest 8 digit number. Here you see, in this greatest 6 digit number is 6 9 will be there. If we add 1, we will get what? Smallest 7 digit number. Likewise, if to greatest 7 digit number, if we add 1 to greatest 7 digit number, we get what? Yes, smallest 8 digit number. Okay, 8 digit number, that is equal to, how many zeros will be there? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 zeros and 1. It includes what? 8 digits. Okay, that is smallest 8 digit number. Now we can call this number as 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore. Next, greatest 8 digit number. Greatest 8 digit number equal to, yes, 8 nines will be there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is the greatest 8 digit number. So we want to add plus 1 to get what? Smallest 9 digit number. Okay, smallest 9 digit number, that is equal to, yes, 1 and 8 zeros. So total 9 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, so this is the smallest 9 digit number. We call this number as what? 10 crore. Okay, 10 crore. Okay, so these are the large numbers. Okay, so you see here, greatest 5 digit number. If you add 1 to greatest 5 digit number, we get what? Smallest 6 digit number. And this is what? 1 lakh. 1 lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros are there. And next, 10 lakh, how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay, 6 zeros will be there. And for 1 crore, how many zeros? 8 zeros. Is it? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 zeros plus 1. That means 8 digits. Total 8 digits will be there. Next, greatest 8 digit number. If you add 1, what will get? Smallest 9 digit number. So here 8 zeros will be there. 8 zeros for 10 crore, 7 zeros for 1 crore, and 6 zeros 10 lakh, and 5 zeros 1 lakh. Okay, students? Yes. Now, yes, suppose you are given a number okay. Now we want to read this number. Do you know to read this number? It's a large number, is it? Yes, we want to read this number. Yes, to read this number, we want to use our place value chart. You heard about place value chart, is it? Yes, two types of place value chart are there. Indian place value chart and international place value chart are there. Okay, here we are dealing with the Indian place value chart. Okay, in that means Indian place value chart. Okay. Here we are dividing the chart into 4 periods. So to read this number, we want to divide the chart into 4 periods. That means first column periods. Okay. So 4 periods will be there. Here once, then comes thousands, then comes lakhs, then crores. So we are dividing into 4 periods, that means ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. First you understand this. Okay, divide into 4 periods. Again we are dividing these periods into places, that is places. Yes, for ones there are 3 places are there, that means ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens. Next, for thousands, and th denotes thousands and 10,000s. Okay, thousands and 10,000s. And for lakhs, and 10 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. And for crores and 10 crores. Okay, so ones period, ones, tens and 100. 3 places are there. And for thousands, 1,000 and 10,000s. Next, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And for crores and 10 crore. Now I have given this number, is it? Yes. Now you see this here. We want to start from here. We want to start from this right side and moving on to left side. Okay, that means here in one period we can separate this with the periods with the commas. Okay, so first step we want to write these numbers to place value chart. After that we want to divide it into periods. It's very easy. Okay, see, so we can start from here. We ones, tens and 100. It comes under where? Ones place. That means 9. Next 2, 3. Okay, 9, 2, 3. So here we want to separate. Is it? Yes. Next it comes where? Thousands period. So we can put 1 comma here. Okay. Next thousands and 10,000. 2 digits will be forward thousands. That means 5 here and 1 comes here. Is it? Yes. Again we want to separate this period. Yes. So this is ones period and this one thousands period, and next it comes lakhs. Again lakh and 10 lakh. So here after 2 digits we can put 1 comma. That means here it comes 2 and this one 3. Okay. Next it comes under crores. So 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay. Now we write these numbers in this place value chart, and I told once we want to separate it with a comma. Is it? So I do that also. That means once I separate it with comma, 3 digits will be there. Okay, in one's place. Next, in for thousands period, Here for 1 spirit there were 329 and for 1000 spirit 15. Here for lakhs 32 will be there and for crores 65. Okay. So now we are ready to read this number. It's very easy. That means 65 crores, then 32 lakhs, next 15,329. Okay students, how to read this? 65, this comes under crore. 65 crores, 32 lakhs, 15,000 and 329. Okay. I will write this once again. That means our number is 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 9. 1 spirit I separated, next 1000 spirit I separated, then here lakhs and this one 65 crores. So we can write like this: 65 crores, then 32 lakhs, 32 lakhs, next 15,000, okay, 15,329, okay, so 329, okay, 29. So this way we can read this number. Okay, if we separate with numbers with comma, it's very easy to read. Okay, so 65 crores, 32 lakhs, 15,329. Okay, next. Write in words. Okay, write in words. First question. Yes. Now we want to read this number. What is the first step? Yes. From the right, 3 digits goes under 1 spirit. So first we put comma here. Next, yes, 1000 spirit. Again I put 1 comma. Is it? Next comes lakhs. Yes, here lakhs. Next here 62 crores. How to read this? 62 crores. 62 crores. Then, yes, 14 lakhs, then 82 thousands, okay, 82 thousands, then 725, okay, 725, okay. So first we separate the periods and then we write this name, is it? So 62 crores, 14 lakhs, 82 thousands, 725, okay. One more question. Yes, here I already put the comma, is it? So here, how we can read this? This is 1 spirit, I separate 1 spirit, next 1000 spirit, then lakhs, is it? Here there is no crores, is it? Yes. So 24 lakhs. Next 57 thousands. 57 thousands, is it? Yes, 57 thousands. Next 125. 125. Okay. Okay. So first separate one spirit, then thousand spirit, then comes lakh spirit. Okay students. So you understand this? Yes. We studied lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crore. Okay. Next in your text page number 44, first question, exercise 1, first question, 1A, B, C. Do it as homework. Okay students. Page number 44, exercise 1A, B, C. Write the following numbers in words that you want to do it as homework. Okay. Later I will send the notes and you want to write the homework in your homework book. Okay students. Thank you.